Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today, I would like to teach you some basic words and phrases in Filipino. So let's start. How are you? Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? Fine. How about you? Mabuti naman. Ikaw. Mabuti naman. Ikaw. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Do you know English? Marunong ka ba mag-Ingles? Marunong ka bang mag-Ingles? Yes. Oo. Oo. No. Hindi. Hindi. Take care. Ingat. Ingat. You too. Ikaw din. Ikaw din. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat. Till next time. Hanggang sa muli. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what other words or phrases you'd like to learn. Thanks.